Hey everybody, so what I'm doing today, I'm looking, kind of showing you where I bought my gumball machines from. Like where I bought my gumball machines. And I went to gumballmachine.com. And I bought two of these, and I was able to customize, and I bought one with a one quarter, one with a 2/4. Both of them, other than that, are exactly the same. They both have the coin drawer. But I want to do a comparison with another website that I found that I think is actually going to be even better for me, and I'm going to switch websites, and I will show you why in just 1 second. So I hit add to cart, and I can come over here. Me being in Utah, okay, 35.38. That's my shipping costs. So if I run it in a calculator, plus 85, it's $120.38 for this machine. Now if I come over to this website, vendingbusinesssolutions.com, and I go to products, should be in, so it's some, okay, I'm gonna just look it up. So gumball machine, right here. You don't get the cash box, it's just a single head, exactly the same, $84.99, so it's already 1 penny cheaper. But here's the best. Let's see, free shipping on all orders on this website. Free shipping means that saves me $35, over $35 on every single machine, which means every time I buy 3 machines, I get a 4th one free. So that's huge. So from now on, I'm going to be going to this machine, buying these machines from this website. I even looked, and I can come back over here. I can go parts. Oh, better get rid of that. Parts for the classic gumball. Cash box, $19. And then if I add that in, I can estimate shipping for me. Calculate shipping, $13.63. Plus 19, $32.63. That's still less than the shipping cost if I wanted to just buy one of these. And it's basically a free upgrade if I were to just buy it here. So I can get the stands later, or the cash boxes later, pay $32.63 each, and I'm still saving $3 just for shipping, plus the $15 extra that I would have paid for the cash box. And that's by buying here, and then you upgrade the cash box there. If I could get cash boxes from here, I couldn't find cash boxes. Yeah, I can't find any cash boxes here on this website, or else I would recommend doing that. I can't figure out. I wish they were a little bit more customizable. I can't figure that out, but because of the fact that don't you don't charge shipping, this still saves you money if you buy it here and then here. That's all and that's what I'm trying to show you.